Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I think it's been 5 or 6 months since the last time I uploaded my last YouTube video. So I'm very excited to do this vlog since this is the first craft vlog that I'm doing on my YouTube channel, and also this is going to be the first time that I'll be showing you how I usually manage my small online business. So yeah, let's start. So this is what my working station looks like. I already sanitized everything here before I even started, and while charging my battery for my camera, I already wrote some of the orders I have from Etsy and from Facebook. So I'm using the Cricut maker for cutting the vinyls and stuff. I usually use my iPad Pro for layouting my stuffs on the design space. So let's start creating some orders right now. So I'll probably fast forward my video. That's why I'm gonna play some music. As you can see here guys, I'm just clearing up my desk and I'm just aligning my vinyl to my mat and fixing the design on my design space. So as you can see here, I'm gonna duplicate the design that I'll be using, and then I'm gonna weld this two to make it one, and I'm gonna put it at the top of my cup guide just to make sure that I got the right size before I slice it. And after that, I'm just gonna delete everything that I don't need on this cut, and I'm also gonna cut some more just in case there's some spots that I have to fill out or some gaps on the cup, just to make sure. After that, I'm just gonna connect my iPad to my Cricut machine and let the Cricut do its work. And then I'm gonna weed out the vinyl that we just cut a while ago, and this is the part that takes a long time to do, and you need a huge amount of patience for this one, especially if you're using the Cricut brand vinyls, I swear. So I'm finally done weeding out the vinyl, and here I am preparing the vinyl to be transferred with this, well, I don't know what it's called, but it's not a transfer tape, but I bought it on a Dollarama store here, and I just saw a lot of people on TikTok using this one as their transfer tape, and I'm like, why not try it as well? Well, to be honest, it works good, but I still prefer using the real transfer tapes. And as you can see here, I just realized that I'm using a color changing cup and not a Starbucks cup, so yeah. So this is the final look of the product, and now I'm gonna start doing the next order that I have. And she ordered a Firmom cup. Well, now it's a Starbucks cup, I'm sure. And that's what we're gonna do right now. So just like before, I'm preparing my mat and my vinyl for the cut. And for this cut, I believe I used the holographic settings as well. And while waiting for it to be finished, I decided to do the other orders I have. And for this order, one of my buyers bought 2 acrylic keychains, one in pink and one in red. So yeah, and I'll be uploading a video on how I usually fulfill and how I usually do my acrylic keychains on my shop. So watch out for it. Thanks! So as you can see here, I'm highlighting the orders that I already did, and I just do this just to make sure that I'm still on track with the orders that I'll be doing. And for this one, I use the Oracle vinyl, and you'll see and notice how easier it is to read than the Cricut vinyls. So I'm preparing my vinyl for transfer, and I'm using, I don't know what's this called, but I'm using a new one, and that's one of the things why I'm really not into this one as a transfer tape, because if you use the real transfer tapes, you can usually reuse it for at least 4 or 5 times at least. But with this one, I find it hard to reuse it. Well, maybe it's just me, but I really find it hard to reuse this stuff. So after I use it once, I usually just throw it out because it just makes transferring the vinyl harder than it was supposed to be. So yeah. So this is what the cup looked like, and I haven't put the name of the buyer yet, but right now we're just gonna move on to the next order, which is a Christmas cup. And I find this one fun to do because there's a little bit of layering that's gonna happen, and I love layering vinyls. And I believe that I also used the holographic settings for the 3 vinyls that we're gonna cut here. And while some of the vinyls were being cut, I'm reading out some of the vinyls that has been cut by the Cricut already, just to save time. So yeah. So as you can see here, I'm gonna reuse a small portion of the transfer tape that I used a while ago. Well, this works pretty good with the small vinyls, but not with the big vinyls. But yeah, it works pretty good with this one. And I just put the white vinyl on the top of the red vinyl to make a cute little scarf. And she wanted this one on a hot cup, which is this one. And I'll be right back. And now I'm back, and that's the look of the order she wanted. And now I'm gonna do the mandala that one of my buyers requested. And sadly, I didn't finish this one because it took so long for it to cut. So right now, guys, I'm still cutting the mandala design that one of my customer requested, and it's taking so long, and I don't think I will be able to finish everything that I plan to finish for tonight. Well, these are the 3 cups that I finished tonight, so I'll probably end my vlog here. So that's it, guys. So thank you guys so much for watching this video and for staying with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did, and I'll see you guys on my next YouTube video. Bye!